Welcome. In today's tutorial, you'll discover how to create a stunning page curl effect using Filmora Wondershare. I already have a video on my timeline, then I copy and paste it above as shown. Now I clicked on the pasted video and went up to Flip and clicked upside down as shown. Next, scroll up to apply the keyframe point only to the transform option. Then move the playhead to 2 seconds. Again, apply the keyframe point to transform, then go to position X to type -1920 and 1080 in position Y and preview. That setting is meant to make the video above appear here. To make it more real, select both, then apply compound clip. Now click, then go up to Mask to apply linear mask. Now scroll down to type 61 and rotate for slant view, then go up to apply keyframe point to transform and move the playhead to 2 seconds. Afterward, go to position X to type -1000 and position Y to type 600, then preview. Thanks for watching, and the template for both these and the second slideshow shown earlier is linked in the description. Have a wonderful day.